Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another screen protector for your beautiful cover display on your Galaxy Z Fold 6. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another accessory for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. In today's video, I want to protect your beautiful cover display from getting scratches or even breaking it up or cracks in it. I decided to pick up and review the Spigen GlasTR EZ FIT screen protector for your Z Fold 6. I have used Spigen before and I just wanted to go ahead and pick it up for this device. And I just decided to pick up a bunch of different screen protectors and try them out. Yes, I go through them, I'm wasting them a lot, but that's okay. You got to do it for the viewers, and that way y'all can pick out which one y'all like the best. With the GlasTR EZ FIT, they make it easy. If you pretty much just push it on there, put some pressure on the glass, and it does all the work for you. This GlasTR should fit, and the glass screen protector should work with a lot of their cases and other manufactured cases too. You can pick up this GlasTR screen protector from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. But again, Spigen packaging, it is what it is. It's just there. If it ain't broke, don't fix it type of thing. But you do get two of them in the box, so if you mess up one, which I don't know how you would, you can, have another one. Or if you crack it or break it, you have another one that you can go to here. So here's the screen protectors. You have some instructions. The thing that Spigen does, which is great, is they give you two of each. Except for the cloth, but they give you two of each things that you can do, so you can save one if you need to be. And then they even give you this little squeegee. But you know what we want to do? Power off the phone. So that's going, while that's powering off, you take your wipe. Watch how easy this is to install. So you wipe down your phone. You don't want, like you said, any grease on there, any oils. Just wipe it off. Make sure it's clean. Again, if you can do this once you get your phone, it'll be a lot better. But if not, take your dust remover. You want to get all the little dust off of there. Again, like I said in the other videos, do it in a room that's not dusty or not as much dust. Pretty simple. Then you just take this and it tells you what the top is, so the top is there. You want to remove the back. Again, when you remove it, kind of just keep it flat like this. That way you're not getting dust on that. And then you just place that on there. And what you want to do is slide it back and forth. It says wait 30 seconds. And then you remove it from here, maybe. Then you take this off. The last thing you gotta do is remove this. And you might have some bubbles again. But again, you just want to squeeze them out. And again, if you have any little bubbles, they will disappear. That's why, again, you want to do this at nighttime. That way you can just let them disappear on their own. But they will. You can work most of it out. But there you go. Again, it leaves a little bit of room. A little bit of room around the edges, which is perfectly fine. Doesn't have a cutout for the camera, but again, the camera works perfectly fine too. But you want this a little bit room there because you want to fit a case. If you don't have that little bit of room, the case will not fit well. But look how easy that installation was. It was simple. That's why it's called the EZ FIT glass screen protector. Again, my touch sensitivity is good because I already turned that up. If you don't, make sure you turn up your touch sensitivity. If you watch my other videos, you know how to do that. Go to display, and then touch sensitivity, you just turn that on. I have it on now, but you just turn that on and it works, makes the phone work better with the screen protector. So again, if you want to pick up this screen protector, look in the description. I will have the links there. It does help the channel out. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.